Merhaba, in today's lesson we are going to learn the days of the week in Turkish, and we'll also learn some phrases, words, questions related to days. O zaman hadi başlayalım. Now I'm going to tell you the days in Turkish, but please repeat after me. Pazartesi, pazartesi. Salı, salı. Çarşamba, çarşamba. Perşembe, perşembe. Cuma, cuma. Cumartesi, cumartesi. Pazar, pazar. All of these days might seem hard to learn at first, but trust me, you will have no problem as you practice more Turkish. Now let's go over them one more time. Pazartesi, salı, çarşamba, perşembe, cuma, cumartesi, pazar. Okay, now let's learn some words, questions and their answers so that you can actually use these days in your daily life. Day means gün in Turkish. Gün. And today is bugün. Bugün. What about tomorrow? Yarın. Yarın. Yesterday? Dün. Dün. Another important question that we usually ask yourself in these corona times is, what day is it today? Bugün günlerden ne? What day is it today? Bugün günlerden ne? And to answer this question, you can say bugün pazartesi. Bugün pazartesi. Or you can also say bugün günlerden pazartesi. Bugün pazartesi or bugün günlerden pazartesi. Yarın, yarın salı or yarın günlerden salı. Dün, dün pazardı. Dün pazardı. You might ask why we are using the. Why it is not dün pazar? Because we are using past tense. You say yesterday was Sunday. So the suffix for past tense in Turkish is the. It can also be di, du, or do. This is about four-way vowel harmony. But for pazar, we say dün pazardı. Okay, let's repeat the days one more time. Pazartesi, salı, çarşamba, perşembe, cuma, cumartesi, pazar. So can you please tell me bugün günlerden ne? When you're watching this video. Bugün günlerden ne? Please tell me in the comments below. Harikasın. Süper. Guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I love making videos to help you learn Turkish. And I also have an Instagram page. I would love to see you there. Bir dahaki videoda görüşmek üzere. Kendine iyi bak. Görüşürüz.